Hey guys, welcome back with me and in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove silence or pauses in your videos using Capcut. So in here, what you need to do is add your videos. Here I've already added
I got three
mine,
outfits in one order.
and I'm going to just start by generating the captions in here. So I'm going to use the auto captions, and don't forget to adjust the language and also the sound source. I'm going to unenable the bilingual subtitle first, and in here what you need to do is click on this, enable the identify filler words which include pause or silence. So enable this and click on generate. Wait for the captions to fully generate. You can see it will identifying the filler words, pauses or silence, and here you can see there is a pause on my videos in here. So I'm going to, the tone is, I don't want to delete it. I want to delete the pause, and also there are two poses, so you can just click on delete two clips. After that, click on done. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.